Hi guys, Rob from Icebox also here today, just going to show you today's install, which is on a Nissan Juke. As you can see, it's our big massive 9-inch screen, which comes under the model DHG model, which is found on our website. It's an Android 11 system, which comes forward in 64 gig of RAM and an 8-core processor. Good thing is about these systems there that they do work with the original settings of the car, and that's including the rear camera. So I'll just show you now. So as you can see, it works with the 4 360 cameras which are all around the car, which is really good in this industry. So I'll just go and give you a little bit of a demonstration on the system itself, just to show you how it works and what it looks like and what you get for your money. These systems come with built-in CarPlay and Android Auto. For the purposes of the videos, I've already connected it to my phone, so there you will see there's the CarPlay application there too. So obviously that is takes all the apps from your phone, but it won't play movies or YouTube and Netflix from your phone. It'll just do like the likes of your phone calls, your maps and your text messages and your music apps and stuff like that. So the good thing is with this is obviously it's got Siri, so you can obviously, if you can speak to it, so you can tell it where to go and what to do. Which is a good little feature to have. So I'm just going to go back to the system here. On this one it comes with Google Maps pre-installed. I haven't got an internet connection on this today, so it's not going to show you, but I will show you what the CarPlay side of this also shows you Google Maps from my phone. So as you can see, oh sorry, they're the Apple Maps, 1 second, so there's the Google Maps there. So you can bring it through from your phone to CarPlay, which connects to the Bluetooth of your phone. So I'll just go back onto the home page here. You also have your radio stations here, which basically
celebrating the football
you can have up to, let's have a little look, second there. You can switch on the RDS if you want.
Just enjoying himself. I think
that's fine. With the station names here. Okay, there's your Bluetooth menu, which gives you obviously your phone book support. But once it's connected to your CarPlay, then obviously this will disconnect, because obviously your CarPlay takes precedence. You can switch the CarPlay off if you want and use this. Entirely up to you. Okay, your video. This is where obviously you play your movies from a flash pen. So if you put your stuff onto a flash pen, it'll move through there, movies it through there. Also the application center here. There's the Amazon Music, your aux auxiliary in, your calculator. This is your CarPlay here. These are a couple of browsers here. There's Netflix, which is what we've put on today. More applications here. There's your Play Store, which basically logs onto your Play Store here. So obviously you get all your applications through there. And let's have a Prime Video. There's the Talk app, Spotify, YouTube. So, and there's something to do with the car settings here. So I'll just bring it to an end, guys, anyway. So just a little video just to show you how it works and what it looks like. So if you're interested in our products, get in touch with us with the contact details, which is in the description down below. Or alternatively follow us on our channels, YouTube and Facebook and Instagram, for all the latest updates and more videos of installation tips and stuff like that. So have a nice day, guys. I'll see you soon. Thank you. Bye bye.